Now if you are comfortable with understanding of simulation of a string, then we will start to draw PDA. Okay, so Q0, so we have 4 conditions for push operation because string can start with A as well as with B. Okay, so first transition will be of type A Z0 A Z0, and similar can be the case for B Z0 B Z0. Also we have the transitions like A, again we have to perform AA push operation, and B. Okay, or it may happen that A comma B and A comma B also, and B comma A and BA also. Okay, so these all will perform push operations. Okay, when we have done with all push operations, then we will start to move for pop operations. So first pop condition will be like, if we are reading input symbol A and top of stack is A, means similar top and input symbol, then we have to perform pop operation. Or it may happen that we have input symbol B and top of stack is B, then this can happen to perform pop operation. Okay, so this will execute single pop operation. Okay, if we want to repeat that for remaining symbol, then that will get repeated by the help of cycle. Okay, now after popping of all the A's and B's, then it will lead to final state for acceptance through final state, that is empty Z0 Z0, or we can have acceptance through final empty stack, that is empty Z0 empty, performing pop operation. Okay, now we will see how this string will get simulated. Okay, so how this each type will get executed by this example on transitions. Okay, so in this case ABB. Okay, so first if we have input symbol A, so first this transition will be executed. For the second B, we have transition that is BA. This transition will get executed. Okay, if it thinks that if this belongs to second half, then the case like B empty operation, so it will move from this state to this state, that is from Q0 to Q1. Okay, and will perform pop operation. Now we are at state Q1 and the next input symbol is B, and at that time we have top of stack as A. Okay, so but here we don't have any transition to perform push operations because we have push operations before at Q0 state only. Okay, because we have started with performing pop operations, and as we have already discussed that first all push operations will be performed and then we have to perform pop operations. Okay, so we will stuck at state Q1 only, and the remaining string will not be processed by this way. Okay, so we will stuck at Q1 state only. Okay, now if we choose alternate way, then first A will be pushed onto stack, performed by executing this transition. For second B, top of stack is A, so this will execute this transition. For this third B, top of stack is again B, so this will execute this transition. For this fourth B, again this transition will be executed because top of stack is B and input symbol is B again. For this fifth B, we have again the same transition. Okay, now at last we are reading input symbol A and top of stack is B, so same is the case, we are performing push operation by executing this transition. Okay, now next input symbol is empty and we have a list of alphabets present on stack, but now we are at state Q0, but we cannot move to next state because we don't have any transition that is reading input symbol empty. Okay, so we will stuck at state Q0 Okay, so in this case, this whole string is read by this PDA, but this string cannot be accepted in this way. Okay, so it will search for again next alternative. Okay, so suppose first A will be pushed onto stack by this transition. Now next B will be again pushed onto stack by performing this transition. For this third B, if we have input symbol B and top of stack is B, then again this transition will be performed and B will be pushed onto stack. If we are reading input symbol B and top of stack is B, and suppose we want to perform pop operation, or if processor get selected this path and it will move from Q0 to Q1 by selecting this transition, then B will get popped off. First B will get popped off. Okay, so here you can observe one thing. Here we have input symbol in B and top of stack is B, but here it's performing pop operation. Same is the case here. We are reading input symbol B and top of stack is B. So, but here we are performing push operation. Means for a single situation, we have two different operations to get performed. Okay, so this is not fixed type of execution, means we don't have fixed operations to get performed. Either we can perform this operation or we can perform these operations. We have to choose what transitions to get performed to reach to final state. Okay, so but this case cannot be happened with the previous examples of deterministic finite automata. For a single situation of input symbol and top of stack, we have single operations to get performed. Okay, so for this B we have performed pop operation and we will reach to state Q1, and for the remaining B, again top of stack is B, then it will again perform pop operation. So this B also get popped off. Now next we are reading input symbol A and top of stack is A. By this transition A will be popped off. Now we have reading symbol empty and top of stack as Z0. So we'll reach to state QF performing no operation on stack, and it will go to final state by acceptance through final state. Okay, so we'll reach to QF, or we can perform pop operation for acceptance through empty stack. Okay, so means this way will lead to acceptance of a given string. Means for a given string we have number of ways to get string accepted, get string processed, or get string read. This is called as non-deterministic PDA. Means moves are non-deterministic in case of NPDA. Okay, hope so you guys understood how to move from one state to other state in case of non-deterministic PDA, how the strings are processed or read or accepted by the given PDA in case of NPDA. If you have any queries, then please comment on it, and never forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.